And the High Court has declared the classification of public roads as national roads, rural roads and urban roads as unconstitutional and undermines the objectives of devolution. Justice Lawrence Mugambi, in his verdict, further stated that the decision of the National Assembly to exclude county government as beneficiaries of the fund, Road Maintenance Levy Fund, for 2 consecutive financial years is unconstitutional, unforeseeable, illegal and null and void.
It is this decision by the National Assembly on Thursday, September 28, 2023 and Tuesday, August 13, 2024 that unilaterally excluded county governments from the Road Maintenance Levy Fund allocations for road maintenance in their respective counties that was contested. In the petition, the constitutionality of the Kenya Roads Act and Kenya Roads was also challenged, among other issues. Delivering his ruling on Thursday, June 5, 2025, Justice Lawrence Mugambi ruled the National Assembly had in their decision by unilaterally removing county governments as beneficiaries of funds RMLF in their financial year 2024-2025 and 2025-2026, and the action undermines devolution and is therefore unconstitutional, unforeseeable, illegal, null and void. County government have welcomed the decision, citing it's timely.
County government, we expect to now be given these funds by 30th of June this year. That is the end of the financial year without fail. If there is failure to obey the decision of the court, then as the Council of Governors lawyer, I will move appropriately the court for further sanctions against the Chief Executive Officer of the Kenya Roads Board.
Through their counsel, Peter Wanyama, they have vowed to defend the judgment in the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court.
It is not right, it is not correct for the National Assembly to remove county governments as beneficiaries of this money. And that is what the judge has unequivocally and clearly stated today in one of the best decisions that protects the devolved government system in the post-2010 constitutional order.
Elsewhere, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has recovered public land worth 400 million shillings in Nairobi's Loresho area. Justice Ogutumboy of the Environment and Land Court noted that the land was not available for allocation to private persons, that the same had been reserved for the expansion of the public water reservoir. The recovered land is expected to be handed over to the government of Kenya for public use as originally intended. Separately, the Anti-graft body has won a legal battle to recover over 20 million shillings that had been embezzled from the National Treasury and Planning by 2 accused persons, Robert Murage and Doris Semeyo. Justice Lucy Njuguna has ordered the release of 11 million shillings held at Equity Bank and payment of the 9 million shillings to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. The monies will be paid at court rates from the date the case was filed until payment in full. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.